Welcome to Talking Timepieces Quick Closeup, and today we're going to look at the Laco Fliegeruhr Pilot's Watch, the model that they call the Augsburg Blue Hours. It's a 42 millimeter pilot's watch with a mechanical movement in it. In fact, it is available with different movements. The base movement is the Laco 2S, which is based on the Miyota 8250, and the upgrade would be the Laco 31, which is based on the Miyota 8315. The 8250 has a 42-hour power reserve, and the 8315 has a over 60 hours of power reserve. So, good basic mechanical pilot's watch for less than $400.